Hey all, it's Aaron Carey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a alpha release of the GitLab Duo plugin for JetBrains. The first step is you'll need to add the alpha plugin repository from the JetBrains marketplace into your IDE settings. First, you'll go to the plugins section. You'll click the settings gear above the plugin setting and go to manage repositories. You'll then add the alpha list here, continue, and then you can go to the marketplace and search for the GitLab Duo JetBrains plugin. Once you've found the plugin, you should see that an alpha version is available to install. Once you've clicked install and restart your IDE, you will get the latest version, including any alpha changes you're waiting on, inside of your editor. Once you go into your editor, you should be able to see that the plugin installed is the alpha release version. And then just to show this, in this alpha release, a new editor setting was released for ignoring certificate errors to help debug things. So we can see that the setting is now propagated to this, and we can go ahead and use the setting now, and then use that to configure the Duo plugin. For folks using proxies, this would actually allow you to see that you're successfully able to verify your connection, and go ahead and get started with the Duo plugin. I hope this helps, and look forward to sharing more videos about the JetBrains plugin